Okay, so we just moved this heavy lunk of a boat. I found a wrench in my bag from my skateboard.
Oddly.
And we untied it from that tree right over there. And, well, not untied it, we unscrewed it basically. And it was pretty amazing. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 7 of us.
You're down there, down the way.
We all pulled and pushed it from there all the way over here. This is our boat. We unwatered it.
Here comes the guys.
Here comes the guys. Look at them all. They're all happy. What's the news? Everyone's getting in the boat. Oh my god.
Everyone gets in the boat. Everyone pushes. We need everyone. Some people get in the water. Balance out weight. Hold on. Let them feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll see that you're getting it.
Yeah, it's over there. Yeah.
Don't worry. Hold on, wait. Yo, wait. I don't think we should go on the water. That's what. Good. Keep coming. All right. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Right here. So much for that. Alright guys, the boat is in the water.
Louis, get a tampon. It's a leak.
I don't want the tampon.
We got tampon, we got a leak. Louis, this is your guiding. Yo, you guys hold this and I'll guide you. Yo, I'm gonna Louis!
Alright, so here we go. Is he gonna break? Yo, Juice, what about that one? Yo, Juice, you see that big one right there? Alright, so guys, we're rolling now. They're going for the falls. Yeah. Which way do we gotta go? We gotta go like that way, right?
Yeah, stay close to that.
Alright.
Where do you want to go?
This is like a Wonderland ride.
That's it, it's good, now turn now. Pedal! That's it,
Woo!
that's what you want.
Okay, so this is Deuce commentating for the amazing boat race here. There's Dale Scarcelli over there. I'm standing on a rock. Here's the boat, guys. Wave! Wave to your mom! Woo! Okay, backwards is not cool. I'm fucking chasing this boat down the river. Little detour. Okay, I'm still on you! Oh, okay, they seem to be alone! Oh, extreme close-ups. How's everyone feeling right now? Your boat is so low. Look at that. It's called Pimp My Boat. Yeah, Nick! Yeah, Nick's a champ. This is Survivor. Oh, okay guys, I'm gonna go around and catch them on the other side. Look at these rapids. Okay. Okay, there they are. They're still there. They seem to be stuck on something. I don't know what to do, but I gotta like take a leak from all this water. Yeah, go get the bucket. Okay, thanks. Dan left their bags there. You guys are all tanks! Hey Jeff, now's a good time to mention your product. By product I mean stellar polo shirts by Jeff and Mark Smith, Jeff Turbot, Mark Smith, with the tank logo. Buy it now, and you'll be like these guys on the boats. God damn it! I wish Gomes was here. Yo, watch where you step. Hey, I had to get fucking stitches by stepping on a rock. Sophia, one of the guys. Look at that pose. Do you want me to take a picture? These rapids. Oh my god, look at that boat! Look at that boat! Turner should be here as well. Turner and Shirley. And Gomes and Nicole and Vanessa. Hi there, Louie! Say hi to Turner! So I don't know how close this is to my face, but my name is Daniel Deuce. That is Sophia Shagala, Mark Smith. There's Louis Demers, Nicholas Panetta, Jeff Turbot, Charles Ogello, Daniel Scarcelli Casciola, two random guys and a girl. And sorry if this video is very shaky. It's on the max zoomed, so I can get everyone's expression. And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a blast. It's gonna be a blasty blast. Or there's Nick. Hey Nick, is this a hoop? Oh yo, Louie, there's a stick. Get the stick. Okay. There they go. I'm gonna pause first. Go Jeff, go! Guys, you left Jeff behind! Nick is halfway in.